Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So this hair video is near and dear to my heart, guys, because this is my signature wig with MyFirstWigs.com. So this unit is one that I've already had with My First Wigs, but we did a few upgrades to this unit, guys. Obviously you guys can see the highlights on this unit is very nice, natural, and light. They're very simple, guys, but you guys get this whole fall aesthetic and fall vibe. You guys know My First Wigs units are all beginners friendly, guys, so this one does come with an adjustable strap. It is already pre-bleached and pre-plucked, guys. Straight out the box, you guys are gonna have a lovely unit. So I wanted to come back today and showcase this unit for you guys today. I will go ahead and show you guys the install portion of this video. If you do go ahead and watch my vlog videos, guys, you guys would have seen this wig installed maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. So this is the unit, guys. Let's jump right into the install part and I will be right back. So this is the finished look of this unit, guys. I did go ahead and install this unit 3 times already, guys. This is my 3rd install and I absolutely love it. Another thing I want to mention, MyFirstWigs.com did send me their own bonding glue, which I'll insert a picture in here for you guys. They have their own wig adhesive now and I did use that to install this unit. I do realize the glue is a little bit on the tacky side, definitely has like an Elmer's glue type of smell to it, but I definitely think it does a pretty good job. I wore this glue maybe 3 times for 3 different other installs, so it did a pretty good job. This is my 4th time doing it, so all in all I could say their glue is pretty decent glue, guys. Now I just want to read the specs for my unit, guys, so that you guys get all the tea. Everything will be left down below and also be in the video, so you don't really have to worry about that. This unit, guys, is a lace frontal unit, guys. It's the SKU number at LFW039. This is 20 inches long, guys. I'll turn around and show you guys the back and everything. This is a hair texture silky, but one thing I want to point out about this unit, guys, I do see that it does have like a little bit of a kink to it. So one thing about MyFirstWigs.com, they try to make sure that the wigs look as realistic as possible. This one, like I said, is marked as silky, but the silky texture isn't going to be that Barbie silky texture. It's definitely still going to have a very natural African American kink to it without it being labeled as a yucky texture. So obviously you guys can see with the color and everything everything. There's definitely a yaki kind of vibe to this unit, guys. Very, very pretty. And one thing we did do with this unit as far as upgrading is making the highlights less dense and chunky. So obviously you guys can see the highlights are all the way through, even in the back portion, guys. Very, very nice and mixed well. It almost comes off as a chocolate styled highlighted unit. The job that they did on this one is very, very nice, guys. The cap construction on this unit is like a medium to average cap size, which fits my head, and the cap construction is excellent. I did not have to customize the ear tabs whatsoever. I did not even touch the inner cap with any powder or anything like that, guys. Nothing too crazy, because this is some transparent Swiss lace. So therefore, with this unit, it's pretty much going to be boom in your face, very natural looking. I did do baby hair magic on both sides because I wanted to kind of give myself options as far as styling. So you'll see baby hair magic on this side, and you'll also see the baby hair magic on this side. I absolutely love the way this color looks. If you're someone that's afraid to try color, this is definitely the perfect first trial wig, beginner friendly unit, guys. When I first installed this unit, it was straight out the pack. I did not co-wash it. I didn't do anything to it. This unit will come to you pre-bleached, pre-plucked. So you don't have to put your hands on and try to do anything extra if you're not someone that knows how to do it. Hence why MyFirstWigs.com is a beginner friendly company, guys. Boy. So all in all, guys, I think that this one came out absolutely stunning. It's just the perfect pretty fall winter vibe look, guys. Add some candy curls in it. I did, when I initially did the install for this one years ago, I did do it in a curly style, and I loved it when I did wand curls in it. But this one I wanted to keep it sleek, straight, and simple. Very sexy for the holiday season, guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one. I really think that this one, the upgraded version, is definitely much different from the beginning, the unit I had years ago. I definitely think the color looks more natural and is very beginner friendly for everyone, guys. So I'll leave the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing my upgraded unit with MyFirstWigs.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.